Good morning. Today we will see the basics of microprocessors and microcontrollers. This PPT is based on the concept that those who are attending this course has a preliminary knowledge regarding microprocessors. What's a microprocessor? It's a general purpose device which can be configured as a small or very large system. To make it a complete microcomputer, one must add memory, oscillator, input-output devices, etc. Next, what's a microcontroller? It is intended for specific purpose, which contain all the devices necessary to form a working system on a single chip. Now we will see the block diagram of a microprocessor. This is the block diagram of a microprocessor. It consists of an arithmetic and logic unit. You all are familiar with this. Accumulator and working register, program counter, stack pointer, clock circuit and interrupt circuit. This shows the block diagram of a microcontroller. A microcontroller similar to microprocessor includes the components like ALU, accumulators and registers, then program counter, clock circuit, and not like microprocessor, it also includes timer bar counter circuit, input-output ports, internal ROM, internal RAM, etc. That makes the difference. Now we will see the differences in detail. Microprocessors are used for built-in general purpose digital computer. It is not a complete digital computer. As we saw, it contains ALU, program counter, stack pointer, working registers, timer circuit, interrupt circuits, etc. And it has instructions for moving code and data to and from external memory. That means it has many instructions to move data and code from external memory. In terms of cost, it is expensive and it's also versatile. And microprocessors have 1 or 2 bit handling instructions. Now let us focus on microcontrollers. Microcontrollers are intended or designed for specific purpose. It can function as a computer but have certain limitations. In addition to ALU, program counter and stack pointer, timer circuit and interrupt circuit, microcontrollers have memory, timer, counter circuits and input-output ports. And it has many instructions for moving data inside the chip. Compared to microprocessors, microcontrollers will have 1 or 2 instructions of moving data from external memory to CPU. And microcontrollers will have many bit handling instructions too. Now let us see a comparative chart between microprocessors and microcontrollers. Microprocessors, the working unit that we make with microprocessor is very large, whereas microcontroller is small. The power consumption of microprocessors is high, whereas microcontrollers is very less. And time for constructing a circuit using a microprocessor is more, whereas for a microcontroller it is less. Throughput in the case of microprocessor is less, whereas for microcontroller, since it is designed for specific purpose, throughput is more. Microprocessors are expensive, or the device